Hello everybody. As you can see, my head is almost complete with the tinfoil and the glue. As I turn it three-dimensionally, it has all of the qualities of an actual skull three-dimensionally, and my horns are done. The only thing I have is my backside to actually put in, like where my shoulder blades are, because I'm going to attach wings to it. The wings will be made first out of cardboard just to get the shape, and then I'm really hoping to put actual real feathers on it. That would be kind of boss. So I've been making the arms and I chose a really long piece of wire, and if I switch this upside down, you'll notice that I can attach the arm wire to the neck wires when I'm done. If you're doing a figure that has any skin showing that will be made with clay, you have to figure out how you're going to bulk up the body where there isn't any clay. So I have a shirt on and I have pants, and I'm going to do that in real material, so I know that I don't have to cover the entire arm with clay, just the hand and the wrist and the ankles and the feet. And I have to make a decision. Do I want to put the clay like over the face and horns and bake it just the head and then attach? Or do I want to make the whole figure first and just put the clay where the clay needs to go and bake it as a whole figure? I haven't decided that just yet, so I'm just making the small parts. I'm going to have to come and do my chest cavity, my waist area, and then I'm going to have to create my legs as well. And my hair, I think I decided, of course I might change my mind, but I think I decided to do my hair in clay and get some texture of that side ponytail with my tools. I could also use real hair, not real hair, I'm not going to cut my hair, but I have synthetic hair from fake fur pieces that I got at Joann's, and also some wigs. So I can use that as well for my hair, but I think I'm going to do mine in clay. So I'm working on the arms. So this arm here is holding onto the staff, and this arm here is coming out at you, and the hand is resting on the arm of the throne that I'm sitting on. So you have to make sure that the arms are the same length. So I'm comparing them this way, and the same width. You don't want one arm to be gigantic and the other arm to be wimpy. Yep, so I'm measuring them like this. My next step would have to be to decide, do I want to make this whole figure first and then attach the clay? I'm kind of leaning towards that right now, because once you get into the process of making everything in the tinfoil and the glue, it's I don't know, you kind of get a little obsessed over it and you just want everything to be done. Well, that's how I work anyway. So my next step would be to attach the arms and then to start filling in the chest cavity to make it look more three-dimensional, so it's not just a head on a stick. Some of you may want to do the clay on the head first and then have me bake it off and then continue on with the rest of your body. That'll be up to you. Have fun!